Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's quick tutorial is on how to unpublish and delete your Wix website. Whether you're starting fresh or closing a project, these steps relate perfectly to each other to help you take your site offline safely. First, let's look at how to unpublish your site. This is the best move if you want to keep your work but stop people from seeing it online. Log into your Wix dashboard and select the site you want to hide. On the left sidebar, go to Settings and then click on Website Settings. At the top of the page, you will see the Unpublish button. Click it and then confirm in the pop-up box. Your site is now officially offline, but all your hard work is still saved in your account for later. Next, if you want to go a step further and actually delete the site, you need to head back to your main sites list. In your Wix dashboard, click on the Site Actions button, the three dots, next to the site you just unpublished. Select Move to Trash. This moves the site into a trash folder where it stays for 90 days before it is permanently deleted. This relates directly to your storage. Once a site is in the trash, it no longer counts towards your site limits, but you can still restore it if you change your mind quickly. The final connected step is managing your premium subscription. It is vital to remember that deleting a site does not automatically cancel your paid plan. If you have a premium subscription attached to the site you just deleted, you must go to Billing and Subscriptions, select your plan, and click Cancel Subscription or Assign to a different site. If you don't do this, Wix will continue to bill you even if the site is in the trash. That is literally it. If this guide helped you clean up your dashboard, please smash that like button and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tech tutorials. Drop a comment below if you're having trouble disconnecting your domain name, and I will see you in the next video.